Good morning, beautiful soul. Or perhaps, good afternoon, wherever you are in your day. Take this moment before the noise of your work begins, to connect with the calm within you. You deserve a workspace that feels like a sanctuary, a mind that feels like a clear, open sky. Find a comfortable position in your chair. Gently close your eyes and allow the world of deadlines and notifications to soften around you. Let's begin with your breath. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Inhale clarity and fresh, focused energy. Exhale any heaviness or tension from your morning. Again, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with new light. Breathe out slowly, letting go of the pressure to perform. Feel your chest rise and fall in a steady rhythm. With each inhale, your mind wakes up a little more. With each exhale, your thoughts become a little clearer. Imagine your breath is like a gentle tide, coming in, going out. Washing your mental landscape clean of clutter. Now, bring your awareness to your shoulders. Let them drop away from your ears. Relax your neck, your jaw, your forehead. Allow every muscle to soften. There is nothing you need to solve right now. Just breathe and be. Imagine a soft blue light beginning to glow above you. It is cool, calm, and steady. This is the light of absolute focus. Feel it gently touch the top of your head. As it moves downward, it awakens your concentration. The light moves to your eyes, bringing a soft rest to your vision. It flows down your neck, across your shoulders, through your arms, and to your fingertips. Each place it touches feels lighter, calmer, more capable. The blue light flows through your chest, your heart, filling it with steady confidence. With every beat, your focus expands. Let this light travel down your body. through your legs, and to your feet, grounding you firmly in this moment. You are safe. You are supported. You are here, exactly where you are meant to be. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine that blue light forming a gentle, glowing bubble of energy around your desk. This is your focus sanctuary. Within this space, everything is manageable. Within this space, your genius flows effortlessly. End was vended in found. Repeat these phrases silently, letting the words become part of your strength. My mind is clear, calm, and ready. I am focused on the task at hand. I trust my ability to create with ease. I release the need for distraction. I am the master of my attention. I work with purpose and peace. Feel these affirmations settling into your mind like seeds. They will grow stronger as you return to your work. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale gently, smiling as you do. You are ready for this day. You are aligned with your purpose. You are guided by clarity. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Notice the calm rhythm, smooth and steady. Feel your feet on the floor, the strength and stability beneath you. It is always there, holding you. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring gentle movement to your fingers. Roll your shoulders softly, and when you open your eyes, do it with intention. Letting the light of your workspace greet you with a new sense of possibility. You are calm, you are strong, you are ready.